Nightingale, who sings at evening, Nightingale, fly beyond the pain and grieving, Nightingale. No one shall cage you, Nightingale.